This is your boy Someone SM1, fucking Aaron Ruiz. We're just designing, well, the homie right here is designing a vector drawing. It's gonna be a little preview. But what are you doing, bro?
I'm making some vector artwork.
But how does it work?
Well, I pulled up this layer of the drawing I did earlier with the pencil, and then we'll put another layer. We grab the pen tool. He's just tracing right now.
He's tracing. Hey, is this copyright infringement? He's designing a vector drawing. We're about to do some beat making video shit. That way you guys can check it out. I don't know what should we do, bro?
Let's do some house.
We're gonna do some house music today. And another thing, I know you guys are gonna say, oh, he's wearing the same orange hoodie. This is the hoodie I wear when I'm producing some house shit. Just so you guys fucking know. This is my house hoodie right here, literally from my house. House hoodie. You know, we're about to pop some Hennessy bottles and shit. Party it up, man. People that don't know, we party it up. You know what I'm saying? Everybody over here parties it up. Alright. Okay. Alright, we got that. Alright. That's gonna be for like the breakdown, to when it goes to, and then, you know. Alright, let me see, make sure everything's right. Everything's right. Hold on, let me take a sip of some coffee, man. Okay. This one is gonna be in every other. I don't know what I'm talking about, but we'll see what's up. Oh shit, that sounds good. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Fucked it up. Alright, hold on. Alright. Making sure everything's correct. We got the drum patterns all set up. We got the whole shit. Now we're gonna start adding some melodies. Let me see. You know, this is some skeleton right now. Wait, bitch! Alright. Let me see. You can sit down, bro, if you want. You know what I'm saying? This shit looks bad as fuck. Alright. Let me see, try that one. Okay, I think we might add some melodies with this one. Go like dun 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 dun. We'll switch it up. Just, you know what? I get too ahead of myself. Alright. You want me to put the drums with? Nope. It's only 8 bars that you're gonna record.
Okay.
So I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
Alright, let me see. Let me get in this motherfucking mixer, man. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? This is the first time we do beat making together. You think this bass line or should we do a different one, bro? We're on the first fucking one. Yeah, let's do that. But also remember with house, bro, like it's not too much like it's just more like it's kind of short, you know what I'm saying? Just because the kick is constant. But then well, you know what, fuck it, it might not matter. Let's just try it.
I'll do it like you said.
Right?
Like,
or let me see, try it.
You do like that instead?
Or maybe a little longer. Yeah. Let's do that. Well, I think let's record that, but I think we might switch the bass line.
Okay.
Like the instrument, you know?
Yeah.
Here's a problem that we got right now. The fucking bass line is bumping heads with the kick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch the fucking bass because we don't want that to happen. It's too loud. Alright, we got this. That's cool. I think so. Maybe that one, right? This sounds like some fucking, like some 90s cartoon shit, right? Get him up, get up! What do you think about this one? Or not really?
It sounds alright by itself. I don't know how it sounds with.
This is the simplest beat making video there's gonna be. Because it's house. There's no formula. There's no formula to music. You know what I'm saying? Anything that sounds good, it's all good. So we found this. So we're gonna. This beat is really hard to like break it down and shit. Just cause you know it's like some 90s shit. So we're gonna keep it simple. Right. I think we got it. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see what this. Not bad, right?
Yeah, nah.
How was it going? Hey, you know what, bro? Hey, watch it. I'm gonna find the fucking beat that this sounds like it. Right now, I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna fucking play it. It sounds like a fucking 90s thing. Watch. Alright, let's check it out right now. So the final product. It's real simple, you know? You know what I'm saying? We toasted. We fucking made a beat today. You know what I'm saying? We toasted. We partying it up. Finally found a track that sounds like it. I told you I was gonna show you. It's obviously it ain't the same day because I'm wearing a different producing hoodie and shit. But alright, anyways, tell me this track don't sound like this one. Watch. Well, you know this song. You know the song.
Sweet dreams are made of these.
I don't know. It sounded like it to me. Watch. Just the intro. Whereas if it ain't that one, it's definitely this one. Hey, this shit. Don't this sound like it?
What is wrong with you? You don't use Groupon? You might as well empty your wallet in this fool.
Mortal Kombat theme song, bitches.
You're white.
I don't know, you tell me. But anyways, that's beat making. Whatever number it is, put it right here. Alright, peace. Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be making a lot more of these motherfuckers. A lot more coming soon to a fucking phone near you.